Hey, welcome back. This is me, Travel Guy. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to solve the problem of Geolayers 3. First of all, if you have any version of After Effects, when you open After Effects, so just close this and you can see on Geolayers could not authenticate user. So first of all, you have to try like retry. So then it will give you the close option. So just click on close and make a new project. When you make a new project, so it's really easy to create it. So now you have to press next. Okay, now you have errors in all maps, but you can use this one which is the most popular, the people who are using this, and this one it's also popular. But if you open this one, in this you have many options. You have this map. If you want to use any kind of map, so you can use this. Is the most popular one which the people are using, and you can create this map in Geolayers. Okay, so these three or four are the most popular. You can use it in Geolayers. So you can see here map which I'm using now. So you will see the option. Okay, so you can use it. These are the maps. You can use it in your Geolayers. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video and share it with your friends. So let's see you in the next video. Bye.